In this video, I will show you how to make circle text logo in Illustrator. We start by creating a new file in Illustrator, and the very first step is to make the circular outline that will serve as the base for the circular text logo. For that, we right-click on the rectangle tool, and from that menu, we choose the ellipse. Then we click on any point on the canvas, and in my case, since I want a true circle instead of an oval, I hold down the Shift key while dragging so that the circle does not get distorted. When the circle has the size that we want, we then release the mouse to lock in the size. After that, we select the regular selection tool and move the circle to the position where the circular text should be placed. And remember that when creating the circular text, the circle shape will not be visible anymore. Then we click on a blank area of the artboard to deselect it, and we select the text tool. From the top control panel, we adjust the font size to 100 for example. Then while pressing the Alt key, we click on the circle's path, enter the text, and we are all set.